So let's check it here. This is it. It's a beauty by blogger.li. The post we have just downloaded, but we can't use it this way. Rather, we'll still need to upload it to our WordPress and then convert it back to post. You can go through it and see how it will look like. This is a HTML example text which you have covered, so no big deal here. Go through other ones and see. There's some language you will not even understand here. So these are some of the posts that in HTML format. So I've downloaded the website. Download all the website content, including theme, the kind of theme the website used, and we even asked it to download only 1 year, but downloaded everything. So that is good. That's cool. So continue in the next lecture. Thank you.